Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to find location of a photo on Google Photos. You have to start by open Google Photos application and then select the photo what you want to check. So let's say this one. Firstly, right here at the top we have information about location, but you can also click at the three dots. Then about, and right here we have location. You can change this location if you want to. You need to click at the pencil icon and then write new location, let's say New York, and then select it, and as you can see right here we have location. But on some photos, let's say on this one, we haven't location, so we can add it, but we can also enable to add location automatically. I will show you later how to do this. The first one, how to add location. You need to click at the add location and then write location, like Rome. And now we have this location. Okay, what about automatically enable it? You need to go to the settings, then click at the apps, and now you need to find camera. I have it right here, so if you see this application, just tap on it or go to see all, and then or scroll down and you need to find camera here, or just use the search and write camera. Then go to permissions and to location. So right here I recommend it to set it to allow only while using the app, or every time ask you. And after that, let me make some photo. Let's say this one, so I just did it. Right here we have this new photo. You need to open Google Photos, then this photo should upload to your account. Tap on it, three dots, about, and now we have location, and every time we will have this location. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.